Massing diagrams are a type of drawing used to represent three-dimensional forms in a simplified way to highlight key features or relationships in the built environment. As displayed here, massing diagrams can clearly communicate design strategies and illustrate key features of a site. Massing diagrams may also show a design's relations to surrounding environments, displaying how and where a proposed intervention interacts with a broader context. Massing diagrams may also be used to display form-making processes and development phasing by repeating the same diagram multiple times with varying highlights on each. Massing diagrams can also demonstrate a larger site analysis scale. Colors, symbols, shadows, and additional objects may be used to emphasize areas of interest or importance and better communicate with the viewer. Tutorial 5B will review the basics of setting up massing diagrams in Rhino and exporting to Illustrator. You may choose to use your own model from SketchUp or Rhino or download a pre-existing model. You will learn how to clean up diagram objects, set named views, and make your diagram 2D before exporting. In Illustrator, we will learn how to draw shadows on our diagrams before continuing to further design details.